Hey TikTokers, welcome to our useful tips and tricks series where we explore how to get the most out of your TikTok 4. In today's episode, we will be showing you some useful tricks on how to manage your data and improve watch battery life and have a more stable signal connection. Having your TikTok 4 connected to your Wi-Fi gives your TikTok 4 the best battery life as well as the best signal strength when trying to send messages, call, or face talk. On top of that, it will allow you to use features like Face Talk or iHeartRadio Family Music, Podcasts, and Stories for free instead of using your data. To set up a new Wi-Fi network, you'll first want to go into your watch settings and select Wi-Fi. You will then be greeted with all the local networks within range. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter in your Wi-Fi password. For a fully comprehensive video, be sure to watch episode 1 of the TikTok Helpful Hints and Tricks series. Our Auto Connect feature allows your watch to automatically connect to existing Wi-Fi networks you have already set up before. This allows your child to save their data when a Wi-Fi network is available. This option is best used for situations where your child goes to and from familiar locations, allowing the watch to automatically reconnect to familiar Wi-Fi networks. To use this feature, you'll want to go into the TikTok phone app, go to Settings, Wi-Fi Location and Tracking, and tap on Auto Connect. If your child has poor to no Wi-Fi connection outside of the house, manual mode will be the option you want to choose. Your watch Wi-Fi will be turned off after 5 minutes of disconnection or lost Wi-Fi signal in order to save battery life. Please note that using manual mode will require your child to manually turn back on the Wi-Fi connection to the TikTok 4. To turn it back on, you will simply need to go to the Watch Control Center by swiping up and then swiping up again to access the Wi-Fi shortcut icon. Tap and turn the Wi-Fi back on. When changing these settings in the TikTok app, you'll want to make sure that your TikTok watch is shown as online in the TikTok app by either being connected to data or Wi-Fi in order for the Auto Connect feature to take effect. So that wraps up today's video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and be sure to follow us on social media at mytiktok. And be sure to visit our website, www.mytiktok.com. You can also reach out to our dedicated support team Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. PST for any questions. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you all in the next video.